Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to show you my K8 that I got with the Magic. So if you look at it, this is the K8. It's got 8 plates, which makes it very unique. It's the most number of plates that the Kangen offers. It's got the touch screen. So if you look at your iPhone or Android, it's got the touch screen. So everything is touch based. So you see this is 9.5, go to 9.0, 8.5, but everything is touch based. You've got clean water, you've got beauty water, you've got strong acidic water. So this is the best water you can possibly drink from the best machine, from the best company. If you don't like the aesthetics of this, then you also have the SD501. So basically it's the exact same thing with one less plate, but it doesn't have the touch screen. That's another thing it doesn't have. But you've got all the same water. So you get the 9.5, the 9.0, the 8.5, the clean water, the beauty water, and the strong acidic water. So as you can see, if you want it on under the counter, you want it hidden, that's available. If you want it over the counter because you like the way it looks, that's available too. So let's go ahead and test the waters out. So we'll try the one under the counter. This actually was installed by IonFaucet. They did a fantastic job. So we're just gonna test the waters. So as you can see, that's filling up. You can see all the bubbles in there, and that's actually antioxidants in the water. This is the best time to drink the water. It's gonna be purple. Bright purple means it's super alkaline. So super alkaline is on the pH chart from 0 to 14. You want your water to be purple. So let's try the K8. So when you turn on the water, the K8, if you have this machine, you always want to see when it's blinking, it's processing. So you always want to get it when it's solid, because that means that it's actually starting the alkalinity process. So let's fill her up and test her out. Got that? So let's see what this one turns. Bright purple. Again, perfect. Super alkaline. So guys, you can get the K, the SD501. You can go over the counter if you like that, or you can make it slick and unnoticeable under the counter. Either way, you're getting the best water. Thanks for watching. Take care.